Now, your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, if you've watched for any length of time, you've probably noticed the picture looks different on Skyview when we start to get a little bit of fog out there. As soon as I looked at that, I was like, huh, interesting. Some fog starting to form. There's just sort of that haze out there. The picture doesn't look as crisp. You can sort of see a little hint of it, this sort of little white lightish area up there. So indeed, I went and checked, and we are seeing a little bit of fog out there right now. We'll show you that on the currents. There's nothing on radar. Tomorrow we'll see a little bit of moisture, but it's not going to rain everywhere tomorrow, and it certainly isn't going to rain all day, even in the spots where it does rain. We've backed off on the rain since yesterday, and even then we were only calling for scattered showers. Now we're calling for isolated activity. Right now, though, look at it's 44, and with that dew point of 41, we're starting to squeeze together enough that humidity is up near 90%. There's not much wind out there. The wind will start to pick up later on out of the south, so that's why we're not going to have a whole lot of worry. If you get up in the morning, you're not going to have to deal with any dense fog. There's just some patchy fog out there the next few hours. In general, increase in clouds tonight. Chance of a shower in a few spots late tonight, but really not a whole lot of moisture to work with. Look at some of the inland areas. We had talked about them getting down into the upper 30s or lower 40s. Actually, a couple of spots even a little bit lower than that. Chesapeake right now at 34 degrees. Pretty soon, though, that wind will shift, and some of the 40s that are down there will continue to filter in. Meanwhile, highs today quite a bit milder than yesterday. Instead of the afternoon temperatures of yesterday, which were mid to upper 30s in some spots, even inland near 40. Today we're talking considerable rise, got up to 54 officially. So for the evening, look at that temperature. Or overnight, actually, as we see that temperature gradually rising, the threat of fog will go away. We'll be looking at a few isolated showers tomorrow, and then at some point in a few areas it could become even scattered, but there's not going to be a whole lot of rain tomorrow. It's going to be a pretty nice day, actually, and even on Sunday, I think, despite the wind, it's going to be really warm, and a lot of people are going to be pretty happy with Sunday's outlook as well. So what a few days ago looked like it might be maybe not a washout, but a pretty wet weekend is now looking like a pretty nice weekend. You can see those temperatures even into Sunday evening, very, very mild. Here's the moisture starting and trying to creep up the coastline, but not having a lot of luck so far. So that's good news if you're going outside this weekend. Tonight, 43, increase in clouds, shower in a couple of spots, mainly North Carolina late. Tomorrow, isolated showers, mainly in the morning or to the north, or definitely a couple of very isolated areas of rain. Tomorrow night, 55, isolated showers, and Sunday, windy and warm, scattered showers north and west, fewer of them, meaning isolated south and east. 7-day forward. But look at that temperature, 76. The record's 80, by the way. Yeah. So we'll make a run at it, but probably not quite get there. And then some rain likely with falling temperatures on Monday. Tuesday's chilly. Valentine's Day not bad, even though there's a threat of some wet weather then as well.
All right. Thanks, John.